In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unlock Steam Community Marketplace. The market is a great way to buy and sell in-game items, but new or recently changed accounts have a few security and trust requirements. I will walk you through exactly what to do and why each step matters so you can get access as smoothly as possible. First, open the Steam application and log in. Use the desktop client for the clearest experience. Once you are signed in, you'll need to show the account is trusted by spending a small amount. Add funds to your Steam wallet or purchase a game totaling at least $5 in US currency. Either option works. Choose whatever makes the most sense for you. This isn't a recurring fee, just a one-time minimum to lift the limited status on the account. A small wallet top-up or an affordable game both count. Next, make sure Steam Guard is turned on and stays active for at least 15 days. Steam Guard protects your account and is required for market access. To enable it, go to Settings, then Security, and click Manage Steam Guard. You can choose to receive codes by email or use the mobile app for two-factor authentication. Pick the method you'll actually keep enabled, because the 15-day timer resets if you turn Steam Guard off or switch methods. Your account also needs to have a successful purchase that is older than 7 days. The same $5 transaction can cover this, but the purchase simply has to settle and age past the 7-day mark. Keep in mind, the market won't unlock until both requirements are satisfied: Steam Guard active for at least 15 days and a successful purchase that's more than 7 days old. If you just added funds or turned on Steam Guard, the clock starts now. After you've completed these actions, wait for the restriction period to pass. For most people, that's between 7 and 15 days, depending on which timer is still running. During this time, avoid making security changes that could restart the countdown. Like disabling Steam Guard, when the waiting period is over, market access should unlock automatically, no extra button to press. If you still don't see access right away, give it a little more time and double-check that your total spend met the minimum and that Steam Guard has truly been active for the full 15 days. Once everything lines up, you'll be able to browse listings, buy items, and sell your own inventory. That's it. Thanks for watching.